Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins of interest. And today we're going to be taking a look at Metarim with the ticker RIM. So just ensure that you're subscribed to the channel if you want to stay ahead of the game and to be informed about Metarim, right? So this is a follow-up video. I did do a video of this token the moment that it was released. We looked at the pros, we looked at the cons, we looked at some of the risk in investing into this project, right? And one of the things that I did say is you always have to wait between 3 and 4 weeks before investing into a project that has just been listed on CoinMarketCap, because most of the time you're going to be seeing volatile price movements. So you want to see that base price before you invest. And one of the things that we did pick up last time was the liquidity lock. We only have about 119,000 USDT liquidity lock. And also there was another huge risk of a wallet that contained a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the project if sold, right? And this is exactly what has happened. If you go onto CoinMarketCap, you do see 80% down in terms of the price in the last 24 hours. So since the project was launched on the 23rd of February, right? Just a couple of days ago, where I did the first video. You can just check that first video out. All the way until the 26th, right? Nothing really happened in terms of the price movement, right? There was not major price movement. Then all of a sudden, boom, we do see here that the price is just dropped all the way down, right? So this is most definitely, it's a rug pull, right? And who did this rug pull? Right, we do know that there's a wallet having a lot of that was holding significant amount of coins, but if you follow the advice that I did give in that video, of course, when I say advice, I just let you know what I would personally do. I'm not a financial advisor. You can just check out my disclaimer in the description, right? I don't invest in a project within the first 3 to 4 weeks, right? Especially a project like Metarim, right? It looked legit in terms of the people behind the project. They are doxed. They have a static audit, right? There were 2 major findings there, but one of the things that I did see is this wallet that is containing a lot of tokens, and also the liquidity lock just brought up those questions, right? So it looked like this investment was risky, right? And of course, I think I did mention that video that this is not a project that I would invest into personally, but of course, if you you like this type of thing, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but you just have to stick to that rule of thumb of waiting that 3 to 4 weeks. So just let me know, did that advice help you? Right? Did you see that video and you waited to invest for at least 3 to 4 weeks, right? Because most definitely a lot of investors who had put their money in here have just been rugged. There's a token dump that is okayed, right? So this can okay because maybe on the pre-sale there is a shark, there's a whale that went and bought a lot of tokens, or it's someone within the project who's holding the largest number of tokens and they just went and dropped all the tokens on everyone, right? So definitely the market sentiment is not going to be looking good. Definitely we do see here 44%, right, are voting bad because no one is happy about something like this. So we do see here trading volume in the last 24 hours 2.6 million. That's 925% up in the previous 24 hours, right? So definitely we do see here the trading volume has gone up, but this is largely because of this huge divestment that has occurred into this project, right? So this project did not have any taxes or anything like that, but we do see here, we definitely have a token dump, right? We have a token dump that is occurred within this project. So if you're invested in this project, you're interested into what is going to happen next, just ensure that you subscribe to the channel, because I have already added this project on my watch list, right? It's going to be interesting to see what happened next. So just let me know, did you manage to check out that first video before you invested and you said you're going to hold off? Like I said, wait between 3 and 4 weeks before you invest into a project, right? I'll be very interested to know, because this is one typical example that you can see that this strategy of waiting waiting to invest on projects that has just been listed on CoinMarketCap, really, it can be a protection in terms of protecting your capital in investing in projects that are going to do something scammy, right? So definitely we do see massive token dump right here, right? Massive token dump. Static audit is out, right? And one of the things that I did see is when a project has just come out, right, the people behind the project can just release a lot of coins, right? And then they need this money to be able to go and start developing the utility that they've promised. Like for here, they've got a project X, a game that they've promised they are going to be releasing, right? And we did see that they've got their NFTs, right, on OpenSea. So far 448 Ethereum traded, right? So they've got their NFTs on OpenSea and all that, right? So it's quite interesting to see what is going to happen next within this project, right? Because most definitely they've been a token dump into this project. So, but the people behind the project, we did see their videos on YouTube. It looked legitimate that they are doxed, but we know they are project where people are doxed, static audit, everything checks out, and they still been rug pulled. So this is looking like a rug pull, right? But we just have to wait and see what happens, right? So just ensure that you subscribe, and when anything happens in Metarim, I'll be letting you know. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.